Here is the detailed product data complete with the title, the summary, how many people are watching it, the price, the images for it, and the return policies, the seller details, and various things like related items. And also the search results complete with pagination, and also the how many units were sold, who is the seller, image, URL that you will be able to get after watching this video. If you've ever tried scraping eBay products data, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different story when it comes to production. Scrapping eBay seems simple, right? Just go to the website, grab whatever data you need, and you're done, isn't it? But if you try to do it at scale, you're going to run into various challenges. eBay is going to block you. It is going to give you captchas or pages that never seems to load, or pages that comes with honeypots, meaning that it comes with fake data instead of the real products data. Now, to resolve these issues, you can use various solutions like Playwright Puppeteer, using residential proxies, or adding complex letters, but you will have to maintain them month over month. Now, let me show you a really easy way to get eBay data, and you don't have to write any complex letter, and you can get it in 5 minutes only. Let's roll. We want to get detailed product data like this one. To get such kind of detailed data, we need to use Python, and to make our life super simple and so we don't have to write any complex writer code, we are going to take help of an API called the eBay Scrapper API. Is developed by Omkar Cloud, and Omkar has been rated excellent on Trustpilot by 17 reviewers. And you simply have to sign up on Omkar Cloud website. You're going to get 25 requests free, so you can easily try it out. So once you have just signed up, you just to simply search for eBay on the dashboard page, and then go to the eBay Scrapper API. Now this has got endpoint to get to the search results and the product results data. So we are going to simply use that data, okay? So first we're going to get developer stickers. It's quite interesting thing, as you can see. Everyone loves developer stickers. Okay. So these are very cool for us developers like JS, Python, such kind of. We're going to use that. Is we love developer stickers. So we're going to go to test.py, simply paste it in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to fetch the developer sticker and store it in response.json file. So let me just clear this thing, and we're going to simply search it for it now and get the data. So we have got the detailed data back, as you can see. Let's match it off with the official website search results. So as you can see, we have got the developer stickers back, and it's the same thing in here. 30-piece random developer programmer hacker. Same thing in here. $2.65. $2.65. And also we can see 100-piece sticker developer hacker thing and $8.99, and developed by Glitter783. And similarly this one as well. So 50 programmer internet coding stickers, $5.69. Same thing here, developed by Leftover Bagels. And we have got very, very detailed data like how many sold. 450 were sold. So 450 sold, it's in here as well. So whatever data that's in here is the same thing that's in here, like this. So yeah, we have pretty accurate data. Now let us see how we can get detailed data about our eBay product. So for that, we are just going to scroll down, and there is an endpoint for it. This one. We're just going to copy this thing and paste it in here. Endpoint that we're really interested in to get data for is this one. I'm just going to paste it in here, and I'm just going to hit test.py again. And we have got back detailed data, as you can see. So same thing, it's in here, $8.99, same price, $8.99, and 100 pieces is the title, Java thing. Yeah. And we also have got images for it, and we have 3 available in stock and 130 units sold. So we can see 130 units sold, 3 available, and it's created by a person in San Diego. So yeah, as you can see, Tory Pine Art Craft. Whatever data that's in here is in here. This guy sold 59,000 items, great thing, and 59,000 items sold. 99.8% approval rate, same thing in here. So yeah, we have pretty accurate data, as you can see. So whatever data that's in here is in here. Super detailed data we have. Now, if you want to get all of that detailed data and you don't really want to spend time writing complex selector code, and which could break next month even, okay, based on eBay changes. So you can use this API by Omkar Cloud eBay Scrapper API. So this has a really good API. It's created by Omkar, rated excellent on Trustpilot. So you're a great company. Simply have to sign up and you get 25 requests free. So you can easily test it if this is the right fit for you. Once it is, you see it's the right fit for you, you can choose from one of these pen, get whatever data you need. If you have any questions, let me know. For the link to it in the description and the pin comment as well. Thank you and have a very, very great day.